Numbers in, the numbers in that first set, natuwang-tuwa naman ang ating guest team ng University of San Carlos of Cebu. Tingnan mo naman ang attack points. Sino ba naman ang magkakala 2 attack points more ang University of San Carlos against the very tall National University? At ang National University naman, meron 3 block points pero doon sa serves, medyo malapit lang. Ang naging problema, just too many errors in that first set.
They took, I think, the first set a little too casually.
Parang ganyan ang naramdaman natin that first set.
Nasugatan na. Ito na. I think seryoso na to.
Definitely.
And I think San Carlos knows that also. In that huddle, where they're just beside us here, they're well aware that this is not the first set. We won it, but it won't be easy as the journey continues.
Pero
what did they do right, San Carlos?
Ako, definitely yung patience nila. Yung patience nila sa floor defense most especially kasi ang dami nilang digs, yung mga powerful hits ng NU nasasagot nila. At ang maganda doon, nakakapag-attack sila.
Good point, yeah.
Hindi lang basta na ibabalik yung bola. They were able to attack, to make, to run their plays. Hindi madali yung first ball kasi galing kay Jaja, galing kay Dindin, galing kay La Ordas.
And you know, the mistake that San Carlos now is doing, nabasa na sila dun sa trying to beat the block by going a little higher. I think they've been read, and now their spikes rather are going too long. Ooh, that hurts.
Rubida Leon, kanina ginawa na rin niya yan sa dump ball niya. Now on the serve, taking another point.
Alam mo, makikinig kayo sa ate nyo, ha? Si Rachel Daques, tinatawag ang ate ng Ateneo, eh, no? Uy, regalo yun. Hala! Binalik yung regalo.
Yup. Sabi niya, ayoko na itong bumalik.
Ayaw nyo? Si Bullet yun yung binibigay namin, yung may sarsa sa loob.
Sarap. Hindi, wala nga sarsa.
Ang trick.
Suka, no?
Tayo mga Taga-Luzon, hinahanapan natin ng sarsa, hindi na kailangan.
Red Jesulga now with 5 points, Praca with 4, Dindin Santiago 7, and Dadang with 3.
Aganon slams it into the net. A little too casual, I guess, as far as NU is concerned. For Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Paggalit sa mundo, manager's choice.
Bakit ako kahit di galit sa mundo?
Ako mas madalas galit sa mundo.
Excuse mo lang yun eh.
Bagay. Totoo yan. Ito naman, binibisto 5.
Hindi, just because lagi ka nasa Ateneo, kaya ka napapadpad talaga dyan sa Katipunan na branch. Yun lang naman yun eh.
Yun naman eh, nag-aaral pa lang kami noon eh. Hometown namin yun eh. Pag wala kang pera noon, Bate, hijack.
And that's really good one. Why? Because she challenged the tall blockers of NU that time, including Jaja. Look at this one.
And you know, the other players of NU will now have to come to terms with taller players. They don't turn as quickly. They'll have to extend a little more support, especially when they block at the net. Nicely done by Pablo.
That's right, making sure she took that one. She was way up in the air.
Myla Pablo, who had a couple of errors in the first set, including a service error, making up for that one. 6-3. Lady Bulldogs ahead by 3. Close to the net we go. Yep. Overreach. Started off with a set that was too long. Axel is our official outfitter for all the teams and all the people who do the games, are involved in the games. Everybody is in an Axel uniform. Setup job to the other side. Ooh, Dindin unable to handle that well with the dig.
Sinatsaga lang ng
San Carlos.
USC to eh. And they're just running their normal plays. Ang nangyari, they're just so brave enough to face the blockers of NU.
No fear.
Talagang wala eh. Hindi nababago yung palo nila. But that time, NU with that gunfire.
Authoritative. 8-4 technical timeout.